Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound setting into your Nothing Phone 1. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down and find here in this block this button. And for adding screen recorder button to top navigation bar, need tap and hold like this and drag to top for add. And now click back for save. So now we add screen recorder button and now tap it. And before start recording, we got record audio option, so we can activate or disable record audio like this by tapping on the switcher. And if we want to customize our device audio or microphone, or device audio and microphone on a recording, so need to tap on this option and choose, for example, microphone only, and tap start to start your recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.